Hi everyone, welcome to our live stream. This is Demi. If anybody can hear me, you can just connect one in the comment area. And also during this live stream, if you do have any question, you can just put your question in the comment area. Hi new friends, hello old friends, welcome to our live stream. This is Demi here. Okay guys, if you do have any question, you can just leave your question in the comment area. And also during this live stream, if you are interested about any equipment, you can just put your question on the comment area as well. Okay, so today during this live stream, I would like to share you some special things, like how did we choose our pyrolysis plant. As we all know, in our company we have three different pyrolysis plants. The first one we have the patch type pyrolysis plant, and the second one we have the semi-continuous pyrolysis plant, and also the last one we have the automatic continuous pyrolysis plant. So during this live stream, I will introduce three different types about those pyrolysis plants. Also, if you have any question, just put your question in the comment area. I would like to share more information and more details about our equipment to you. Okay, welcome new friends, welcome to our live stream. How are you today? Hello guys. So today the pyrolysis machines will be compared. So according to this live stream, I hope you can put your question in the comment areas. So otherwise, I will know what kind of the support I can give you, what kind of the help I can give you. Okay. All right. So the first part in this time, the first part, let me show you. As we can see the 3D videos back in the background, and for these 3D videos, I will introduce one by one to you. Okay, more details will be introduced in this live stream. All right, so let me just check it. Okay, so all the details will be introduced in this live stream. Hello Sammy, welcome to my live stream. This is Demi, we are from Doing Company. Yes guys, the first part I supposed to be introduce our company, right? So guys, this is Demi. Hello Molly, welcome Molly to my live stream. This is Demi, we are from Doing Company. This is Doing Holding, and we have already 13 years experience to products of the pyrolysis plant, and we are the manufacturer in China, and also we have a lot of the agents all over the world, and also we have our peoples. Hi Anglo, welcome. Hello, how are you? Are you still here? I just see your comment here. Okay, so during this live stream, I will introduce three types of machines to you. And also, if you're interested about the distillation machines, also for other machines, I will introduce that for you. Okay, so the first part, let me just introduce our 3D videos for you first. I think these 3D videos, they cannot be stopped. Maybe we can just open from other way. Okay, anyway, I will introduce more frequently. CEO Anglo, if you are still here, you can just come to our Alibaba and check Henan Doing Company. You can see our 3D videos is right here. Okay, so guys, hi VN, welcome VN to my channel. Okay, so during this live stream, you're gonna see this is the machine using for to pull out the steels. This machine is pull out the steels. And also guys, today my introduce is how to choose a pyrolysis plant. How many doing company are there in China? I met a lady called blender, and we have agreement. Well shot. Okay, honey. Anglo. Actually, in China, in Henan province, only one doing company, and our company is Henan doing company. We have 13 years experience, and for boiler, I'm sure in our company we don't have these people. But if you can leave your message, if you can leave your WhatsApp numbers, we can check it for you. Okay, and if you are interested, you can come to Henan doing company here as well. We have the book, we have the 3D videos, we can introduce that for you, honey. And honey, best we come to the Alibaba, and you will see our 3D videos, and you will see the background here. Okay. Our customer service already tap the comment in the comment area. Thanks, Anglometer. Thanks for your coming. And I'm waiting for you in Alibaba, honey. All right. Best we just leave your WhatsApp number, and we can check did we connect with you before, or you can just check the numbers below the comment. The +86 1345 2669 2320. This is our WhatsApp numbers. If you are interested, you can connect with us. Okay, Anglo-Matey, I'm waiting for you here. Okay, honey. So we have the two platforms to do the live stream at the same time. So the first one we do in Alibaba, and also we do the live stream in YouTube as well. And also, just wait me 1 second. I will introduce this part for you here. So the first one, just let me introduce our 3D videos about the pyrolysis plants. Okay. So everybody will know this pyrolysis plant will be better and better. And right now they have different raw materials. As we all know, in our company we have three type about this machine, and also we have the different raw materials. In some places they are very popular to use the oil sludge, and in some places they are very popular to using the alumina plastic, and also in some places they are very popular to using the rubber, and some places they are using the wastes&hazardous. So that is the difference. We will, according to your raw materials, and introduce our machines for you. Okay, in here, the first part, as we all know, the very important part in pyrolysis machine is the first one is the reactor, right? And the second one is the condenser. First one, we need to heat the reactor first, and then we need to make the cooling down about the oil gas. So that is two different parts. And also from the beginning until the end, we have the desulfurization towers, we have the reactor, we also have some condenser, vertical condenser, horizontal condenser, and also for the last part, we have the desulfurization tower. And also we have the odor removal system, and also we have the vacuum system. So during this live stream, I will introduce for you one by one. Okay, the first part is the reactor. The reactor was so different. So in some factory or in some company, they using the different kind of the steel, the inners for the pyrolysis reactor. Some places they are using the stainless steel. Some places they using the carbon steel plate. So that is totally different. This is according to how many years you can be used about the reactor. So for doing, yes, this is our company. For doing brand complete cover reactor. And also for our reactor, the lungs is different, and the short and the west also was different. Hi Juicy, welcome to my channel. Juicy, how are you today? Hello Yoi, welcome Yoi to my live stream. Welcome. Okay, so the complete cover reactor means the insulation cover is longer than reactor itself. The whole reactor is covered by the insulation cover. Hi Sorbin, welcome Sorbin to my live stream. How are you today? And also for our reactor, we need to prevent heat loss, save energy, and prevent the heat comes out the furnace, prevent the workers hurt by hot airs. So for the reactor, we're using very good materials to make it. And also we have the rolling machines in our factory. Yes, for the rolling machines, we need to roll in the steel plate very well. Just make it into a roll like the book, just like this, the right way. They will be in the same degree. But in some companies, they don't have the rolling machine, and then they just buy them rolling, and then they will do like this. So the short and the large was so different, and for this part, some people they just like, okay, for the difference I will cut it, I will remove it, and just make sure this one will be connect. But that machine was not so safety. So that is why our boss just choose to buy a rolling machines. That is the difference. Just roll like this way can make sure when the reactor will be heat, will be work very properly, will be very safety. That is the important. Okay. Hi new friends, welcome to our live stream. If you do have any question, just put your question in the comment area, okay? Double tap the screen, send me some likes, and also follow me here. And agglomerator, did you get our WhatsApp numbers? I think I need to read it for you one more time. Our WhatsApp numbers is the 13526692320E. 20. Okay, so what's the problem with me? Okay, anyway, I hope you guys will know this very properly. Yes, I did. Okay, thanks for you connect with us, honey. Thanks for your connect with us. Okay, many thanks. It's my pleasure. Anglomato, it's my pleasure, honey. Okay, everybody. So for the batch type pyrolysis machine, we have different capacity. First one, for the smallest one, we have 100 kg for per day. And for the largest one, we have the 15 tons per day. Because for this whole processing line, you need to finish heating, you need to finish the condenser, you need to finish the remove the carbon black, remove the steels. So for the 15 tons, at least we need 20 to 24 hours. And the first one, yes, this is reduced. And first one, for the batch type pyrolysis machine, we are using the whole waste terrace. We don't need to previous to deal with the waste terrace. So we can do this. What kind of situation we can do this? Just put the whole terrace into the reactor. Just throw it into the reactor, and then after finish the burning, after finish no more oil gas come out, we will pull out the steels, and then we will pull out the carbon black. Yes, guys. I'm not sure did I mention the products. Yes, for our products we have the carbon black, we have the pyrolysis oil, And also for that, we have the tail gas, and some of them we will have the steels. But the main important thing is different raw materials, they will do the different products. For alumina, plastic, we will get the plastic, we will get the pyrolysis oil, we will get the carbon black, we will get the tail gas. Otherwise, no more products will be come out. So this is for the batch tail pyrolysis machine. So everyone, if you do have any question, just put your question in the comment area. I would like to introduce those parts for you very well. Alright, so let me do the second part, second things. Hello new friends, welcome to our live stream. So the second part is very important about the reactor sealing height. For the reactor sealing height, for our things, we're using a pressure, we're using the whole plate, just press it in one time. So for our reactor, it's like a, how to say, it's like a ball, it's like a ball, yes, by the way, it's like a ball and will be connect with the reactor together. Maybe someday I will show you the picture here. Hi Ying, welcome. Hi Ying from China, France. Okay, so for the reactor was super important. The new design reactor height adopts the ARC shape, pressure vessel step height, which is formed by one-time compression. Yes, I told you that is by one time. And then the strong pressure resistance, the connection of those height will be the reactor body is welded by the fully automatic joints, and with the seam is linked with the connection list. Welcome new friends, welcome. And also for our reactor, we are all using the welding seam. We are all using the welding seam. And also, you know, when the connect, because the reactor was connect use two plates like this way. So for two plates, they are like the 16 millimeters. Some plates they are 18 millimeters. For 16 millimeters and 18 millimeters, they were different. Everybody know they are very thick. They are very thick. So before we connect it, we just like to push the 16 degree. Just like to push open it 16 degrees so we can put something, some catalyst inside there. And then after that, the both sides of the steel plate are grooved at the 16 degree first, and then welded by the automatic submerged ARC welding machines. So we have these machines. We have three. And also our factory is more than 14,000 square meters. So if you are interested or you are have time, you can come to our factory and give us some suggestion, or you can just look around, walk around. Okay. And also, if you come to China, our boss prepare a very great green teas here waiting for you. Okay, so we have this machine, so we can make it very well. The auto-feeding submerged ARC welding machine. Okay, so that is all for the reactor. That is all part for the reactor. So guys, do you have any question about the reactor? Okay, if no more question, let's go ahead. Let me just introduce our other things for you. So for our machines, we are not only have the pyrolysis machines, we also have the distillation machines. So we can make the pyrolysis oil into the diesel. Also, in some countries, they have a lot of the diesels and they don't need that, but they need the carbon black. Some countries the carbon black price is more than the pyrolysis oil. So different people they are watching for the different products here. Hello AY, welcome AY to our live stream. How are you today? I'm just introduce our pyrolysis plant here for everyone. So the topic was how to choose a pyrolysis plant. Hi Magnesh, welcome Magnesh from India, France. So this is how to choose our pyrolysis plant. First of all, we need to according to your raw materials, because for different raw materials we have different design. Like if you're using some wasted terrace, you supposed to be have the part you need to remove the wax, you need to remove some sludge. So that is for the oil sludge. And also if you are interested about the wasted terrace machines, that is very simple machine, because we can open a big hole in the filter, and then you just put the whole wasted terrace into that. Just put it into that, and then you will close the door, and then you need to heat it like what kind of the degree is very suitable. I think it's around 400 degree. It's 218 degree between the 400 degree. So that is totally different. And also that is the best temperature for the tail gas, but it's not many. For outside the machines, they have the lower temperature. Hi, Tyser, Shireen, welcome to our live stream. Feel free to follow me here, okay? Everybody, please give me a follow. So in the future, I would like to introduce different machines to you guys. I hope you guys will know more about us here. Hope you guys will know more about us, and hope you guys will interested about our machines here. Okay, so for this time, let me continue. Okay. Okay, so for this whole processing line, the first important part is about reactor. Just now, I think I already introduced some reactor for you. So at this time, let me just introduce some vertical condenser, horizontal condenser, and other things. Okay, so this part we are going with some horizontal condenser. So the first part, before we get the oil gas, we need to remove all the things. Like okay, we want to get the products. What is the products we want to get? It's a pyrolysis oil, right? So for the pyrolysis oil, we need to be cooled, because the oil gas is like a steam. It's like a steam. You need to make it cool, and then you will get some oils. Everybody learns the physician, you will know this part. And then after that, the oil gas will go into the first part. Is this our vertical condenser? For the vertical condenser, they like a big cup, but outside is a like inside here, that is a recycling water. And then they will put 1, 2, 3, 4. They will put 4 tubes inside here. So the oil gas will be go from the top until the bottom, and then the oil gas will be cooling down, because outside here is a recycling water. It's a recycling water. And this is a recycling water. This is for the vertical condenser. After the vertical condenser, we prepare the oil water separator. That is the tank. We can just separate the oil and the water. Like 1 tube will go into, this is a water, and this is a tube, and then the oil gas will be flow from the top until the bottom, and then the oils will be on the top, and the water waters will be on the below? Yes. I think maybe some people will be asked one question. Why the oils on top, the waters on the below? Is anybody know this part? Is anybody know this part? Okay. So is anybody know this part? Just put your answers in the comment area. Let me wait 14 seconds, okay? I hope somebody will know that. 40 seconds, 30 seconds only. Hi, FC, welcome to our live stream. Okay, I think nobody knows this answer. I will introduce this part to you. So, why the oils on the top, the waters on the bottom? Because the oils is more light than the waters. So that is why we put some we put the water and the oil will be separate in this part. Thanks, Alika. Okay, anyway, thanks for your likes. I think every time I read your name, that is the wrong pronunciation. Thanks for your likes here. Okay, so for this part, the oils and the waters, they have the different how to say that word. Hi, Amand. Hi, Amand. Welcome to my channel, Amand. Welcome from MV France. Okay, so actually I don't know where is MV. Guys, just click the follow button if you like our live stream or if you think our equipments were useful for you. You can just click the follow button and double tap the screen, then give me more likes here. Okay, hope you guys will enjoy about this part. And okay, so this is a part, I will introduce this part for you guys. Okay, so just now we talk about the oil water separation, and then after the oil water separation, we prepare the other two machines. The other two things is the horizontal condenser. Horizontal condenser is like on the top one horizontal condenser, on the bottom the other one horizontal condenser. They have two. And then the oil gas will be flow from this side until this side. And then in one horizontal condenser, they have 37 pumps. They have the 37 pumps inside there, and also outside is the recycling water. So that is for the horizontal condenser. After that, we prepare the condenser tower. This is a condenser tower. Also, we can call it cooling tower. Hi, Needle Cloud. Welcome to our live stream. This is Demi from. Oh, you are interested about our continuous pyrolysis plant? Honey, for this plant, we have the 15 tons, we have the 14 tons, 20 tons, and also we have the 15 tons. Nicola, Nita, honey, these machines we can using for some with the terrace, but first we need to previous to deal with about this with the terrace, and then you will get some with rubber powder. So this machine you can using for the rubber powder. Also you can using for some plastic. Hi, Nadal, just put your question in the comment area. Okay. All right. So for this part, just now we told you about the cooling part. And for the whole processing line, we have the cooling part. We separator. We have 4 steps for the cooling part. We have the 7 condenser be cooling the oil gas. So we just make sure the oil gas will be properly cooling down. So that is why we are here. And then after that, we will go this part, these machines. Guys, if you are interested about a continuous pyrolysis plant, maybe I can put our continuous pyrolysis plant here. Oh, so let me put our continuous pyrolysis plant here. So just make sure you guys will know more about our equipment. Okay, that is all for the continuous pyrolysis plant. Do you guys still have any question about this machine? I hope you guys can put your question here, so otherwise we can introduce that for you very properly. Okay, so this is our continuous pyrolysis plant. Okay. Hi, welcome to our live stream. Lagdu, welcome. Okay guys, this is our continuous pyrolysis plant. So that is works totally different. If your raw materials is some waste plastic or some waste rubber powder or some waste terrace, you need to deal with before you put that into our machines. And then you can choose our continuous pyrolysis machine. But if you have some oil sludge, just now I told you, we suggest you choose the batch type pyrolysis machine, because that is very special raw materials for the oil sludge. We need to make sure we don't have the sticky things, we don't have the wax, we don't have other things will be come out. So you can using the continuous pyrolysis plant. Otherwise, we suggest you choose the batch type pyrolysis plant. Okay, for this part, let me just introduce. I hope we can introduce from the beginning. Okay, so this is a latest design fully continuous pyrolysis machine production line. At the beginning, we can see the views about this part, and then we can see a lot of different sections. They are contain the reactor, they are contain the insulation, they are contain the different parts. And also for desulfurization towers, the cooling part, the pore dust collection. So first we need to deal with the waste terrace. Like we need to get one machine, just make the waste terrace into very smaller pieces. It's around 16 mesh to 18 mesh. Very small pieces. After that, we can put all the rubber powder together, and then we can using the hoister to transfer it. Actually, this one also can call the belt conveyor, but that is not a belt, it's like a scrap conveyor. Okay, just get that meaning. And then we will go the how to say level scrap conveyor, and then we will go to the reactor. Yes, for the whole processing line, we have the machinery, we have the electric machinery, we also have the steel guided wheel, we also have some burners, we have some tail gas burners that will be connect with this whole processing line. After that, you can see here, this is a reactor. Yes, by the way, the important part, I forgot to introduce that for you. The first one, we need to, for the batch type pyrolysis plant, we're using the directly heat. But for the continuous pyrolysis plant, we use the indirect heating method. So that is different. One is okay, this is a reactor. One is the fires to get connect with the reactor, and the other one is the fire is not connect with the reactor. They have the small room, and then the fire was under the small room, the burning room. So that is different. Hello, and you welcome to our live stream. Oh my god. Thanks for some people send me more likes. I'm so happy about your likes. But if you can give me a follow, will be very excited. Okay, so anyway, so for this continuous pyrolysis plant, we hit it by indirect because we built a burning room here, and for this burning room we using very great materials, and then we heat the reactor by heat the air because we need the temperature reach to like more than 300 but below 400, because we show you the 3D videos. It's about the 15 tons. If yours the 15 tons, it's 15 and 50. That is different. Okay, 15. If you have the 15, you only have one reactor. If you have if you have 20 tons, it's 20. You will have the 2 reactor. If you have 13, 14, 15, 2 reactor. So these 3D videos we just show you the 15 tons, so that we have the 2 reactor here. And in the middle, as we all know, the 15 tons was very heavy. So in the middle we put a targ, just like a support, and just like a standard, just keep the reactor will be balanced. And for the reactor, for the steel here, we have the cooling oils and some recycling cooling waters. After that, okay, after this, yes, we just show you the cooling oils, recycling oil, the recycling waters. This is the one we will get some oil gas. Yes, by the way, for the continuous pyrolysis plant, at least they will be work 45 days. 45. Yes, you are not here wrong. In some countries, like we have this machine in Kazakhstan, we also have it in India, we have it in Spain, and also we have it in Russia. So in those countries, only the first 8 hours, listen carefully, only the first 8 hours, you need to using some pyrolysis oil to heat it. Also, you can using some natural gas to heat it. After 8 hours, they will have some tail gas come out. For this tail gas, they can use at least 45 days. 45 days. Yes. So that is very safe. Our our burners, that very safe it. And then after that, the oil gas will be flew into the first buffer tank. Okay, the flow into the first buffer tank. This buffer tank, the very important thing was we will reduce the oil gas speed. Yeah, just put the oil gas speed very slowly, and then they will be collect some few carbon black here. After that, we will go into the oil tank, and then the buffer tank will go into the next one. Look at here carefully. So for the first buffer tank, we don't have the recycling water, we don't have the cooling system here. But for the second buffer tank, we have the cooling part is right here. Like just now, I give you the suggestion. Inside was the oil gas, outside was the recycling water. So for this part, they will be called some oils. We will get some pyrolysis oils. Yeah, I have to remind you, for the different raw materials, the pyrolysis oil was different. If you have some with the rubber powder, the pyrolysis oil was a little bit black. If you have some plastic, the oil gas was more clean, like very beautiful yellow color. But for the with the rubber powder, that was black, so that is different. And then this also is after the three, 1, 2, 3, yes, after 3 oil tank, after 3 the buffer, how to say this one, recycling buffer tank. After 3 recycling buffer tank, we will have 3 vertical condenser. These 3 vertical condenser will be cooling 90% oil here. And then we will go into the next part. Yes. See this video, very perfect. This 3D video is our engineer make it very carefully, very probably, very well for these 3D videos. And also I have to say, for our company, we have the engineer more than 20, and those engineers, they have at least 10 years experience about the vegetable pyrolysis machine, about our equipment. They have more than 10 years experience. So trust us. Okay, so let it go. So every time when I say let it go, I always think about one song. Let it go, let it go. Okay, anyway, okay, come back. This is our auto removal system. This system we just remove some tail gas. They have some sulfur smell. They will be have some how to say that word, NO smell. So we can just make it, remove it. And also they have some condenser and non-condenser smell. We just put it, we just remove it. And then after that, the tail gas will go back to the reactor. So the one part can be as a fuel to heat the reactor. The other part will become the smoke. So later we will have the way to how to deal with the smoke here as well. Welcome new friends, welcome to our live stream. And this is a tail gas burner. This is a tail gas burner, just to heat the reactor very properly. So other 14 days we can using the tail gas very well. And this is the cooling part, just like to cooling the smoke. To cooling the smoke, this is a cooling part. And this is the porous dust collection. For the cooling the smoke part, we can using the wind. Also, we can using the recycling water. So it's according to which one you are interested. After that, we will go into the porous dust collection. Oh yeah, this is a recycling water. After that, we will go into the porous dust collection for the smoke area, and then they will collect some small pieces of the dust, the small pieces about the dust. This is our desulfurization towers. After that, we can go to the top, and this is the things will be separate the smoke, and this is the things will be collect some steam. So this is the desulfurization tower, and inside here we put some chocolate. And I think I forgot that word pronunciation, but we put something inside, and so we can remove some pores. We can remove some sulfur things. Yeah, this is the 3D videos. Do you guys have any question about the 3D videos? Hi, Plimer. Welcome, Plimer, to our live stream. How are you, Plimer? How are you? So that is all for these 3D videos. Do you guys still have any question about those 3D videos? I hope you will have some question. Though otherwise, I'm gonna introduce for you very properly. Hi, Peter. Oh my god, I didn't see you just now. Hello, Mr. DG. Welcome to our live stream. So guys, now do you know how to choose the pyrolysis plant? Do you know how to choose it? If you know that, just put your comment yes. If not, just tell me which part you are not understand. Okay. Oh, the 3D videos was stop it. And let me just open it one more time. Alright, so this time let me just introduce our company to you guys. For our company, we are not only to introduce this part, and also we have other things like we are from Henan doing machinery equipment. It has been dedicated to research and development of large and middle-sized renewable energy environmental protection equipment. Like we have the batch-type pyrolysis machine, we have the continuous pyrolysis machine, we also have some semi-continuous pyrolysis machine. So, and a variety of waste recycling equipment of years. We are professional manufacturing enterprise which gather, develop, design, production, sales, installation, and after-sales service in one. So we have factory, we have the development, we have the design, we have production, we have sales, we have installation, and after-sales service team. So that is why we have a lot of the people choose our company machines. Yeah, we have more than 100 countries choose our machines. It's like Kazakhstan, it's like Bangladesh, it's like Russia, it's like American, England, and also for some other places. So doing business scale-up involves with the terrorist plastic pyrolysis equipment, green and oil equipment, as well as cassava syrup equipment. Yes, that is all from our company. So if you have some cassava or other things, you can choose our company as well. Our office headquarters is in Zhengzhou, Jinshui Square, Jinshui place okay, anyway. So if you are interested, you can come to Henan province, and also you can go into our factory, go our company. So we will introduce those departments for you very well, and we have our professional sales manager, professional development, and professional engineer team. Okay, let me read this part. And also we have some some customers is from China, Bangladesh, Malaysia, Pakistan, India, Thailand, Philippines, Vietnam. And also we have the customers from Middle East like Lebanon, Jordan, Palestine, all over the world. So it doesn't matter which countries you're from, you can choose our company here. And the main advantage, just now already told you, the batch type pyrolysis machine, continuous pyrolysis machine, semi-continuous pyrolysis machine. And for the reactor, for the inner insulation was super different. And for our company, we can using the different steel plates, like the Q345R, like Q245R, like 30304, like 316. That is all the part about those materials. And also if you have some special orders, we can make it for you as well. And this is the one. And also for the thickness were super different. If you order the 16 millimeters or 18 millimeters or 20 millimeters, is according to your orders. But when the steel plate was very thick, the reactor will be using very long time. Oh, it's already 51. Okay guys, if you do have any question, just put your question in the comment areas. Otherwise, this live stream will be finished at 5 o'clock Beijing time. Okay? And also just now, we just reintroduced the reactor, the oil tank, condenser. Okay, I will introduce whole processing, what kind of the machines we have. We have the reactor, catalyst chambers, condenser, oil gas separator, and also oil tank, oil water separator, and also condenser with the C device, water C device. Okay, that is water C device, sorry. And vacuum device. Yes, the vacuum system, I forgot to introduce that part for you. The vacuum system is using for the batch type pyrolysis machine, and also for the vacuum system that will be prevent the boom. Like when sometimes you didn't finish, the oil gas come out. When sometimes you didn't wait for the temperature reach to 18 degree. Sometimes you didn't do that. You need to at least to make sure you don't make sure the safety things. So you need to choose the vacuum device, just prevent some boom things will be happen. Okay guys, any question? Any question will be come out. I'm waiting for you. If no question, this live stream will be end at 5 o'clock. That was super same time. Okay. So for this part, if you do have any question, just put your question in the comment area. And also we have the insulation covers. For the insulation covers, they are using the different raw materials. Like, hi Oliver, welcome Oliver to our live stream. Hi, hello. Where is your factory? Our factory is in Jiaozuo province, Henan. Jiaozuo city, Henan province. Leave your WhatsApp numbers. We will send you our address. And do you have overseas office? Yes, we have. We have it in Vietnam. We have the overseas office in Vietnam. If you are interested, you can connect with our customer service. We can send you an address. Good. Thanks. Thanks. I think that is great as well. Okay. So that is for our equipment. Guys, that is all for today equipment. Oh, what happened? That has become black. Nobody tell me. Okay, anyway. Okay, no problem. I will have visit tomorrow. That is a good news for me. So tomorrow I will invite you to drink some Chinese tea, the green tea. That is very delicious for the green tea. Okay? Okay. It's my pleasure, Oliver. That is my pleasure. Thanks. Okay, so for this pyrolysis plant, do you guys still have any question? For the semi-continuous pyrolysis plant. Oh yeah, I forgot to introduce the semi-continuous pyrolysis plant. Okay, first introduce. For the semi-continuous pyrolysis plant, we can using the raw materials with the rubber powder, same like the continuous pyrolysis plant, 16 to 18 mesh, and after that, they can discharge the carbon black in the high temperature. Like we can discharge the carbon black in 300 degrees. After that, we can put the next part. It's like we can put the other 15 tons rubber powder inside the reactor. That is for the semi-continuous pyrolysis plant. For our continuous pyrolysis plant, you can one side to feed the raw materials, the other side can be discharge the carbon black. So that is different. Okay, no problem. Hi, new friends in F. Rose are red, violet are blue. Thanks for coming to our live stream. Okay, that is finished. I don't know what's that. Welcome, new friends. Thanks for your coming. Okay, do you guys still have any question? Let me help you. 他有没有植入背景啊？没有是吗？有，在桌面上。Okay, no problem. Guys, do you still have any question? If you have any question, just leave your question in the comment area. Otherwise, we will be finished this live stream after 2 more minutes. Okay, after 2 more minutes, this live stream will be end. Hi, Bobo. Welcome, Bobo. Oh my god, your name is so cute. Your name was so cute, Bobo. Oh, you are from which country? Okay, anyway, just say your catalog. Welcome, new friends. Welcome to our live stream. If you do have any question, just put your question in the comment area. I would like to introduce more department for you. Thanks for you guys coming. Okay, this live stream will be end after 1 more minute. Today, just share you guys how to choose the how to choose the environment, how to choose the machines here. Welcome, new friends. How are you today? Guys, do you still have any question? Waiting for your question for now. This live stream will be end after 1 more minute. Okay, guys. This live stream was be. Thanks. Our comment was amazing. Thanks. And guys, this live stream was be finished today. And today just introduced how to choose a pyrolysis plant. And this time to say goodbye. Goodbye, everyone. Bye bye.
就不用拜拜的这么着急。
已经很着急了，已经掰完了。哦，这还有一个呢。